Okay, so how to submit Upwork proposal using ChatGPT? Let me show you. So, magsasubmit tayo ng proposal sa Upwork. Ito yung sample job posting. So, click natin yan. So, ito yung job description nila. And ang hourly rate niya is around $5 to $15 per hour. Click apply now. So, if you scroll down, meron ditong cover letter. So, what you're gonna do, copy natin yung job description. Then, go to ChatGPT. Type in sample cover letter. Ayan. So, sample cover letter with this job posting. So, i-paste nyo yung job description. Ayan. So, hit enter. So, magge-generate na siya ng pwede nyo ilagay as a cover letter sa Upwork. Of course, you have to personalize it. At least nabanggit lahat nung nasa job description. So, yun lang, BA. Sana nakatulong. Bye!